Hope that's recording me. Howdy. I'm a mess, a hot greasy mess. Just got back from the junkyard, and I'll tell you why I went. A while back, while driving, the dome light fell out of the Jiggly Mobile. Scared the crap out of me. Then it was just, bouncing back and forth and stuff. So I grabbed it and I yanked it out. And in so doing, I broke the plastic housing that holds it in and screwed up the wiring harness. And I just got back from the junkyard. And for $5, I got a new housing. And a new dome light with the fixings. As you can see, that should pretty well just match up to what's there. At least I hope it does. So, the first step in the process is to take the old one out, which there's 2 screws right there. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. This is the way we screw a Ford, screw a Ford, screw a Ford. This is the way we screw a Ford when it's 900 degrees. That's the side I broke right there, by the way. You can see it's no longer attached. There's one screw. There's the other screw. Alright, so there we go. This is going to go back in the exact same way that just came out. I'll get started on that. That's hard to do left-handed. Let me switch hands here. See if I can't get that a smidgen tighter. Perfect. So the new housing is in. Now we're going to work on these wires. I need to cut these off. And I've got handy dandy wire cutters right here for that purpose. So here we go. It's like defusing a bomb in Hollywood. Red wire, blue wire. Now I might want to leave that one on for a second, and I'll explain to you why. They're both black, as you can see. And if I cut that off, I won't know where it goes. But if we look at the old plug here, you'll see that one of them is missing the metal clip and one isn't. Cool. Okay, so you see on this one has one that has a blue stripe, and does one of these have a blue stripe? Here, blue stripe, here, blue stripe. Blue stripe, that's that one right there. Okay. Never mind, I can go ahead and cut those. And the bum didn't go off. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull them off of this, off the one I got from the junkyard, and wire them to their corresponding colors up yonder here. And then I'll be back. As I'm doing this, I am wishing that I had a little bit longer wire than that to work with. That's kind of awkward. I've got the first one in, and again, we're just going to color match. Black to black, blue with the blue, black with the blue stripe to the black with the blue stripe. And then we're going to test the electrical before I put it back in. But what we need to do now is strip that wire. Boy, that's out of focus real bad. There we go. About that much. Same thing on this side. And then we need to strip these ones up here to match. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing like that, but we're going to give it a shot. Well, I wish I'd have left them wires a little bit longer. Hindsight is 2020, as they say. That's probably good right there. Okay, so let's take a look here. These two are going to go together because that's the ones with the stripe. That just leaves those there. Okay, the new plugs are wired in, and I of course will tape those and stuff before I put them back in. I'm gonna stick them onto the light here real quick and see if it works. All right, that means I have wired it correctly. So I'm gonna finish that off. Basically, I'm just gonna tape those. I've got some wire nuts here. I'll wire nut them or something.
Fixed.
The one in the middle is for when the doors are
Open.
Back door's open. Well, I thought that's what that was for.
Just like with the other car.
There we go. So then when I open the door, it should come right back on.
Yep.
Wunderbar. Fixed.
Yay!
Let's leave it on. I would have just left it on that, but okay.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
Key
You,
back in.
sir?